Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to enable auto caption on any YouTube video with just your phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your YouTube app. So I'm going to click on here. So let's say, for instance, this particular video right here, we want to play it on YouTube, and let's check it out. So what if I tell you that all these thumbnails are generated by an AI? And guess what? I did it for free using just my mobile phone. Yes, I'm going to show you. Just like that, you can see that this video right here does not have auto caption. Then how you can enable auto caption into this type of video on YouTube? First thing for what you need to do is to make sure you click on these captions right here. Click on it. And it has been turned on auto setting on English. So by the time we click on the setting icon again, then you come to captions. Now you have it auto generated to be English language. Now by the time I play this video right now, it's going to auto caption the video just like what you see right here. So in order to generate a thumbnail using AI, you need just these two. Number one, you need to ChatGPT. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply turn on auto caption for any YouTube video on YouTube. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.